What's up, YouTube? This your boy Bill Thomas coming at you live again. I'm coming at y'all today for 2K11 freezing. That's what I'm talking about today, how to fix it. So come on, we're going to do this right now. As you can see, I'm going to NBA 2K11. As you can see. Sorry about the cam. Alright, so you see it's doing this thing right now. And then most likely when it loads up, it freezes sometime. So we're going to see what it do. Y'all see me? Yeah. See, sometimes it may freeze at this screen. See, signed in and everything. Everything acting right. And then the next screen is probably where it start acting up at. Right here. See? The intro is coming on, but it's freezing right here. And you can't use your controller to do nothing because nothing's working. I'm pressing start. Start button, start button. My controller's on. Pressing everything. But yet and still, it's still playing. So I'm going to show you what to do right now. What you do is, you go to your PS3. Power. Hit the power button. Let it do its little thing it's going to do. Right? Boom. So it just restarted, right? Boom. So it's off. Turn it back on. Boom. Or you could have turned it on from your controller. So then we're going to watch the PS3 start back up. Starting back up. Starting back up. Alright, now what you want to do is you want to go to account management. Press triangle. Sign out. Signed out. Now go to NBA 2K11. And everything should work properly. Let's see if I'm right. See, go to this blank screen again. There we go, 3D device use notice. That's that. DTS, digital surround notice. Next should be the NBA logos. And next should be the cloud of smoke that comes in the entrance. Right there. Now you can press X now. Press start. Okay. Now mind you, when it loads, you cannot, I repeat, you cannot, however, you can't, how can I say it? You can't sign in. When it says loading NBA today, right there, it's going to ask you, do you want to sign in now? Watch. Just press circle. See? Circle. If you press sign in, it will not sign you in. I just wanted to tell y'all that. Alright, YouTube, this your boy Will Thomas. I'm out. Tell me if I helped or not. Alright.